Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, your one-stop place to improve English in a fun and easy way. In today's video, we're going to practice simple English questions and answers on everyday topics like hometown, hobbies, school, and daily life. These are common topics in English-speaking tests and conversations, so make sure you listen carefully and repeat after me. Speak with me, pause when needed, and try to give your own answers too. The more you practice, the better your English will get. Ready? Let's begin. What is your favorite subject at school? My favorite subject is English. I enjoy learning new words and grammar. It helps me speak better. Do you like your school? Yes, I like my school. The teachers are kind and helpful. I have many friends there. How do you go to school? I go to school by bus. It takes about 20 minutes. Sometimes I walk if the weather is nice. What time does your school start? My school starts at 8:30 in the morning. We have 6 lessons every day. I try to reach on time. What do you do during the school break? I talk to my friends during the break. Sometimes I eat snacks or play a game. It is a fun time. Who is your favorite teacher? My favorite teacher is Mrs. Sharma. She teaches English. She explains things very clearly and kindly. Do you like doing homework? Yes, I like doing homework sometimes. It helps me learn better. I usually do it after school. Do you participate in school activities? Yes, I participate in school activities. I join debates and sports competitions. It is exciting and fun. Do you have many friends at school? Yes, I have many friends at school. We play and study together. They make school life enjoyable. What do you like most about your school? I like the library the most. It has many books to read. I go there after lessons to study or read stories. Great job, everyone. You did amazing practice today. Remember, learning English is all about daily speaking. So, try answering these questions about your own life again after this video. You can even comment your answers below. I love reading them. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more English practice videos every week. Keep learning, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next